You have seen in our previous invention how sickle cell anemia and thalassemia can be completely eradicated from the earth with the help of GIP card, that is, Genetic Inheritance Prediction Card, 100% without any medicines. With this invention, not only sickle cell and thalassemia disease, but also all types of single gene or monogenic diseases, such as hemophilia, cystic fibrosis, Tay-Sachs disease, Fragile X syndrome, Huntington's disease, will be completely eradicated. Every year, millions of infants suffering from sickle cell anemia and thalassemia are born, and millions become ill, and many dies. A patented new invention to get rid of this dreaded disease is the color-coded, punch-hole, match counseling ID card. To find out how likely their children are to have sickle cell anemia and thalassemia disease before getting married, any couple can find out the possibility of that by themselves, sitting at home, with the help of this ID card. There can be many types of genes in the society, which may have different disease statuses, like thalassemia, sickle cell etc. For example, if a disease carrier male wants to marry a diseased woman, all they have to do is put one numberson GIP card on another numberson GIP card, and this card will immediately tell them about the chances of getting diseases like sickle cell anemia and thalassemia in their children. In this case, you can see that 50% children of this couple are likely to be diseased, and 50% children are likely to be disease carriers. Here one can easily see that, except for the result related to this pair, all other lines have a cross mark. In front of the result of this couple, there is a hole through which light is passing, which can be easily seen. This possibility can now be seen, not only in color code form, but also in written form, through transparent punch holes. This makes the process of pre-marriage matching and counseling very easy. So, by this process, the need for a marriage or genetic counselor will be completely eliminated. In another example, if the disease carrier male wants to marry a disease carrier woman, then you can see that 25% of their children are likely to be diseased, and 50% of children are likely to be disease carriers, and 25% of children are likely to be normal. This means that the couple will bring the disease to the next generation. So, getting the couple married will not be appropriate. In the case of marriage imperative, a prenatal test would be done on every pregnancy. With such a card, the person himself, or any health worker, or the elder of the household, can decide about the couple to marry or not to marry by looking at the possibility of transmission of the disease to the next generation by just matching the cards. One step towards a healthy society.